Hi Charlene, Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about this specific automobile. Yes ma'am, it is here. Beautiful car, but the best thing about it is the America's Best warranty. This has a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate that Agena has assigned. You can reach me at the dealership at 205-380-6250 or my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you, ma'am.